In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat pattern in Inkscape. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load, then either open an existing document or create a fresh one. If you're starting new, pick a canvas size that suits your project so you can clearly see the pattern as it tiles across a larger area. Next, select the object or group of objects you want to repeat. This can be a single shape, a set of icons, or a small illustration. If you're using multiple objects, it helps to group them first so everything stays together as one unit. With your selection active, go to the Object menu at the top, choose Pattern, and then click Objects to Pattern. Inkscape turns your selection into a reusable pattern swatch stored in the document's definitions. Nothing obvious will happen on the canvas yet, but your pattern is ready to apply. Now, draw a new shape that will display the repeat, typically a large rectangle that covers the area you want filled. This shape acts like a container for the pattern. With that rectangle still selected, open the Fill and Stroke panel. You can find it in the right side dock or open it from the Object menu. In the Fill tab, switch the fill type to Pattern by clicking the pattern icon. Open the drop-down list, and you'll see your custom pattern available there. Select it, and the rectangle instantly fills with your repeating design. To refine how the pattern sits inside the shape, switch to the Node tool by pressing N or choosing it from the toolbox. When the object is selected with the Node tool, special pattern handles appear. Use the crosshair handle to move the pattern's origin, essentially sliding the tile around inside the shape without moving the shape itself. Grab the square handle to resize the pattern. Hold Ctrl while dragging to keep the proportions consistent so your design doesn't stretch. Use the circular handle to rotate the pattern to the angle you like. If you don't see the handles right away, make sure the filled object is selected and you're truly on the Node tool, not the Select tool. A couple of quick tips as you fine-tune. Zoom in for precise adjustments, especially when aligning edges or motifs. And remember that you can always return to the Fill and Stroke panel to swap patterns or adjust opacity for previewing. That's it. Your custom artwork is now repeating cleanly inside any shape you choose.